that attraction? When did the Cars attraction open in Disneyland? Okay, that's the wrong thing. 1955. When did the Cars attraction open in California Adventure? 2012 is when it... Whoa, what, really? No, I know. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the ride system. When did the attraction Cars open in Disneyland? Disney World. It's 2012. Whoa.
6 years after the movie.
I can't believe it's been open for that long. $13 years. By the time that opens, 2025 this year, right? Plus, let's say 6 years. It's between 5 and 7, so we'll take 6 years. We'll get the middle number.
About 25 years after the movie.
It will open in 2031.
2031?
Yeah, that's 6 years from now. So, and the original one opened in 2012. That will be about 19 years after Cars opened in Disneyland.
Yeah, about a quarter century after the movie.
That's weird. It's not going to be the same technology, by the way. They've shown videos and things of it. Because a lot of people think it's going to be the same technology, but I don't think so. Because it's going to be 5 to 6 years from now. Why would Disney open what is in California that's been there since 2012, and that will be 2031 approximately.
I mean, it opened in 2012. It was designed what? 2007.
No. It's the same technology. I think it's Test Track. What technology is the Cars attraction in Disney California Adventure?
The technology that powers the Cars attraction in Disney California Adventure is similar to
It's the same as Test Track. When did Test Track open at Epcot? 99. So if it is the same technology from 99, Thank you. But if it's the same technology as Test Track at 99, and it's approximately opening in 2031, that's 32 years later. They're not using the same technology. And they've shown videos of it. They like literally have built, it's crazy. They built a course wherever they do this designing. They built a course out there, and they're like testing vehicles and stuff, and they're building hills and things. And they're like testing, it's not gonna be the actual vehicles. They said that. But they're testing like real ATV vehicles. So they're going out there and like doing it so that they can figure out how to like bring whatever technology they're gonna use so that it actually replicates like real off-roading and going and all that other stuff. It's gonna be really cool. And I don't care if Cars thing. I like Cars. And who cares if, I mean, it might end up like Dinosaur. Like, who really knows Dinosaur? Does anyone know that Iguanodon from that movie? I mean, they're getting rid of Dinosaur, but does anyone know that IP? But it's still, I still love the attraction.
Not even obviously an IP.
No. And have you tried to watch that movie? I tried to recently, I can't. The CGI in that movie, it's so bad. It's awful. And you've never seen it? Okay, we should watch it. It's so bad. What should I do what that person's doing? They're filming on a DJI, and they're filming on their cell phone. also filming on their other cell phone.
Well, we're moving.
I already tried to do that today. It was a lot. I was filming today, and I was doing...
What's an empty thing?
That one's broken too.
That one's broken, that one's just empty.
I was like, this isn't 360. I need to film myself. Oh! Oh my god. It's so disorienting. I see why this bothers you. Look outside.
I got it.
Oh my god. I want to go in the one that tilts. That is the most terrifying sound to end of a T-track or a teacup T-track. Oh my god.
This music reminds me of Living Bars.
Dizzy! Do those like spin way more than other ones?
Maybe. I'm also really good at that.
Apparently. It was like that was the most unhinged spinning I've done on one of those in forever.
Really?
Yes! I'm even disoriented. Also, it's like